In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Mazda 3 2010 to 2013. Take a flathead screwdriver, place it on the top, glide it between the vents and the dash, and unclip the clips that are behind. Okay, you're going to feel the clips, and simply by trying, you'll be able to remove the vents. It's not that complicated. Once you do this, you see there's a harness you can remove by pressing the release tab, and then we can set the vents aside just so they're not in the way. Then we have two Phillips head screws. So take your screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and remove these. Keep them, don't lose them. Okay. And now it's time to remove the radio. You can try with your hands to remove it. I suggest you put them right over here and pull towards you. It will slide out. All right, here we go. At the end, put your fingers down below, and you'll be able to lift it up and remove it from the dash. Now it's attached with some wires in the back, some harnesses, and I'll show you how to remove them. Take your flathead screwdriver, and you need to press on the release tab on each of these harnesses and pull the harness out. It may be a bit complicated, okay, at first. But by doing this, okay, simply push the release tab and pull the harness. The bigger one is a bit more complicated. On the gray one, the release tab is on each side. You see, you need to press and pull, and this one, yeah, this one is more complicated. So press and pull at the same time. Oops, I broke the latch, but anyway, here we go, the harness came out. Same thing here, press on the side, remove it. And you may have the antenna there. This one, the antenna just need to pull it out. So here we go, you have your radio out on your Mazda 3. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.